Hi guys! Welcome back. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today we are going to do a haul. So let's just get right on into it. So we are in my living room and this is about all of the stuff I got. I'm still waiting for one more box to come in. As you can see, I got a lot. This is the first thing I got. Nice little blush palette from Makeup Revolution. Next is All That Glistens Luxuries palette. Sorry, couldn't get it open. I also got this collection, which has this one, and this one, and this one. Ta-da! And then there's this palette. This one's supposed to be like a dupe of the Huda Beauty one. So, and then there's this really cool one that's like, I want to say oil slick, but not really. And it looks like this on the inside. I'm really obsessed with this purple shade. And then the last one out of those collection is this one, which looks like this. And I'm kind of obsessed with it. And then I got these little tools things. So I got these makeup cloths, face cloths. This headband is supposed to hold your hair back. It's a nice little face mask brush thing. And then I got these mostly for this sponge right here because it's supposed to be a switching sponge for getting your color off better. So we'll see. Here's a cute little update for you. I tried on this headband and it's so fuzzy. I love this thing so much. If you don't have one, you should get one. Next, I got these two eyebrow products. They're both in ash brown because I like my eyebrows a little bit darker. And then we got a bunch of makeup removers and stuff. So this one is the hydrating cleanser. This one's the makeup removal spray. This one's the milk jelly cleanser. This is the thirsty cleanser. It's supposed to be very good for dehydrated skin, which is what I have. And then we got this gentle eye remover thing. I mainly got it because it has peach kernel oil. And I'm skipping a bunch of skincare to show you this one because it's supposed to be the highlighter that's shaped like a rose, but it came in broken. They're sending me a new one, but yeah, this is kind of what I got right now. And then next I got these setting spray, essence spray things. They're for different things. This one's like hydrating, this one's replenishing, and then this one is regenerating. Next up I got these items. So these two are more thirsty things. These are the skin boosters drop things. These are the moisture gel. This is a hydraulic tonic. This one is supposed to be for pores and blemishes. This is a rose chamomile serum. And then this one is their new snow mushroom serum. I really wanted to try it because it's supposed to be really good with hydrating, and you know your girl needs that. And then for skincare, I got these. This is a 30 SPF protection booster cream for normal to dry skin. This one is the hydrating splash boost thing. This one's for brightening. I'm pretty sure that they're just moisture creams. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I got these three. And then last little bit of skincare from Makeup Revolution is these Jake Jamie masks that he made. This one is the dragon fruit. This one is the watermelon. This is like the cocoa oat mask thing. This is the chocolate mint one. And then this one is the strawberry donut. They all do different things, but I don't really want to tell you right now. And the last little bit of makeup from Makeup Revolution is these foundation in F1, the conceal and hydrate, and then the matching concealer in CO.2. This one is their new CC Perfect Press Powder in the shade Warm Ivory. Ugh. There you go, you can see it now. The only thing I'm worried about is if these are going to be too dark. I'm not quite sure yet. And then we got their new, well, not so new bronzers. or bronzer I should say, in the shade Holiday Romance. In case you wanted to see everything together, this is what it looks like laid out. thanks for watching. I will probably put the Sephora one out tomorrow because this was a lot more work than what I thought.